Hello, I am Yusuf D. Memon from Matiari. Today, I teach you exercise 4A, B, and C of Unit 4.3 Language Practice of English Class 9 New course. Dear students, these three exercises are about prefix. So, before we do these three exercises, let me tell you what is prefix and what is suffix. So, it is necessary that we should understand the prefix and suffix first. Prefix and suffix. A syllable which is added in the beginning of a word is called prefix, and a syllable which is added in the end of a word is called suffix. This is prefix and this is suffix. There are three parts: prefix, root, and suffix. This is root, the word to which the syllables are added. That word is called root. The root word is always in the beginning, in the middle. Root. Kind. The word kind, if we add un in the beginning of the kind, the new word will be unkind. Unkind is a prefix. The new word is unkind. Lead. If we add miss in the beginning, the new word will be mislead. Miss is prefix. Come. If we add out in the beginning, the word will be outcome. Out is a prefix. Come is a root. See. We add for, F-O-R-E. For see. For is prefix. See is root. Give. If we add F-O-R, forgive. New word will be forgive. F-O-R is prefix and give is root. Up, lift. Lift is root. We have added up in the beginning. Up is prefix. In the same way, the syllable which is added in the end of the word is called suffix. There are speak, er, speaker. Er is suffix. Childhood. Hood is suffix. Hat, red. Red is suffix. Friendship. Ship is suffix. Child, like. Like is suffix. Childish. Ish, I-S-H is suffix. There are some words in which both prefix and suffix are available, as dishonorable. Dis is prefix, able is suffix. Root word is honor. Dishonorable. Unbearable. Bear is root, un is prefix, and able is suffix. So, prefix is a syllable which is added in the beginning of the word, and a suffix is a syllable which is added in the end of the word. Dear students, keep it in mind that prefix and suffix are from different languages. Some prefixes are English, some prefixes are Latin and French, and some are from Greek. Suppose in English, a after al, be, by, down, for, for. These are prefixes, English prefixes. There are some other prefixes also in English language. In the same way, Latin and French prefixes anti, dis, mal, miss, post, etc. Postgraduate, misunderstanding, anti-corruption, it is prefix. They are Latin and French. Some prefixes are Greek, as auto, automobile, dry, ex, an, endanger, ex-prime minister, par excellence, par is prefix. In the same way, suffixes are also from English, Latin, French and Greek. For example, er, hood, age, dumb, ish, lash, full, etc. These are duty, full, count, less, less is suffix, king, drum, dom, drum is suffix. Latin and French, an, ain, librarian, EWS, LET, TION, etc. These are some Latin and French suffixes. In the same way, there are some Greek suffixes also. Ik, critic, ist, optimist, ist, ism, optimism, IZD, ISC, etc. There are so many prefixes and suffixes. Some are from English language, some are Latin, some are French, some are Greek. Both prefixes and suffixes. Now let's do the exercise. Exercise 4a. Fill the blanks in the following exercise by using the prefix re. Only re. This is the prefix re. We have to add in the beginning of the words which are given with appropriate given words. These are the words tell, retail, do, redo, claim, reclaim, apply, reapply, print, reprint, arrange, rearrange. Now let's fill the blanks. The government is trying to reclaim the land from the sea in Karachi. The company had to reprint this book 3 times. I advised my friend to reapply for a teaching position. My father likes to retell his childhood stories to his grandchildren. Saira and Khalida decided to rearrange the furniture in their room. Rearrange. The teacher told the class to redo the exercise. Now exercise B. Fill the blanks in the following exercise by using the prefix miss. This is the prefix miss. With appropriate given words. Treat, mistreat. Match, mismatch. Behave, misbehave. Understand, misunderstand. Place, misplace. When children dash they are often punished by their parents. When children misbehave, my brothers always misplace their mobile phones. There is a dash between their income and expenditure. There is a mismatch. Between their income and expenditure. Many people misunderstand. Understand? Misunderstand. Misunderstand their leader's message. It is not right to misbehave, mistreat. Servants. Now, exercise 2. Exercise C. Fill the blanks in the following exercise by using the prefix inter with the appropriate given words. The words are national, faith, personal, city, independent. National, international, faith, interfaith, personal, interpersonal, city, intercity, dependent, interdependent. Now first, the dash bus service is very good in some countries. The international bus service is very good in some countries. There is more dash travel today than about 50 years ago. There is more intercity travel today than about 50 years ago. For success in any work, good dash skills are needed. Interfaith skills are needed. For success in any work, good interfaith skills are needed. The quality, number 4, the quality of goods and their price are dash, are independent. The dash understanding is very important for peace in the world. Dash understanding is very important. Interpersonal understanding is very important for peace in the world. These were the 3 exercises, exercise 4A, 4B and 4C from English class 9 new course. Thank you very much.